Hello, I'm Charlie. Today we have a nice color car, uncommon car, uncommon color, all pink inside pink. Yeah, nice ladies car. Today I'm going to show you this is a Fiat 500 2012 model. I'm going to do front brake pad today. It's not hard, but I'll show you step by step. First, I'm going to uh, crack the nut and the lock nut. It's 17 mm nut. First I'm going to crack the wheel lock nut. After that I'm going to the ordinary nut. I'm not going to use in the gun first time. After crack I'm going to use in the gun. Right, all nut crack. I'm going to jack it up the car now. Now I'm going to turn wheel towards left side because the caliper sit on the front. Then if I turn it to the left side, we have a small space to work there. I'm going to turn the wheel now. Now I'm going to use the gun and take off the rest of nut. It's very quicker. Take off the tire. There is a brake pad wear sensor. I'm going to remove a clip there and push it back. Disconnect the sensor from the connector. Right, disconnect from the connector. There is a holding bracket there. Take it off from the bracket. Take off the whole sensor out. There is a circlip underneath the pin. Yeah, you can see that one. We need to take out that one and push it in that pin towards inside the engine. No need to doing anything for the top one. We can leave it as it is. Now I'm going to take off that circlip inside the pin. First little bit turning that pin, but it sees up. I'm going to use in WD-40 nice and miracle spray. If something sees up, you have to use WD-40. It's giving good benefit. Right, I'm going to take off the circlip out. Little bit turning, still sees up. I'm going to little bit hammer in and out. Right, yes, now it's turning. Yeah, now I'm going to take off circlip out. Yeah, it's come out. This is the circlip. Now I'm going to push in that pin, little bit hammer. Right, it's come out. Take out from the back side. Right, it's come out. Now I'm going to push in caliper piston using little bit flat screwdriver and push it in the piston. Right, it's going in slowly. See, you can see now. Yeah, it's all the way in. Now I can lift up the caliper easily. It's come back again. I'm going to put it screwdriver to stop the caliper and take off the pads. See, the pad is very low. Time to change it. That side little bit sees up, but I'm going to use in the screwdriver and take it out. It's hard to do it to the one. I'm going to use in the bigger screwdriver to take it out. Right, it's come out. That's a brake pad wear sensor. When you compare with the left and right side little bit low and the left side little bit thicker, that's mean I'm feeling caliper not doing good job. However, I'm going to service the caliper and put it back everything. I'm going to use it Epic brand today. I'm using this Epic brand long time. It's a very good brand. If you put it sometime budget parts, sometime on and off quick in noise coming, I'm not recommended to anyone to use it the budget part. If you pay a little bit more, you have a good benefit for the quality parts. It's come with the new 2 pins. Then we don't want to use it the old one. This is the old one. And the sensor also, this is the brake pad wear sensor. Two sensors coming, but we need only one because this car have only the left hand side sensor, right hand side no sensors there. Then I can keep it for the future repairs. Even the old brake pads come like a same pattern, no any side, then I can use it the left or right, it doesn't matter. Make sure before you put it on the pad, clean it nicely the runner, otherwise brake pad not going smoothly up and down. That's mean the ending with the uneven brake pads. Sometimes it's going to be bind the brake. Make sure clean it properly and apply little bit copper grease. Cleaning with the flat screwdriver first, then after that I'm going to use the wire brush and clean it that area. This caliper little bit problem for me. I'll take it off the from the spring and leave it side of the way. Then it's easy to work in there. Make sure that runner clean it properly. Brake pad to run it free. Apply grease and put it back. Apply copper grease. Put it in. That side little bit tight for me. Yeah, I'm going to take it out again and clean it properly. That side run a little bit rotted. Here you see there is a little bit corrosion and need to clean proper way. Now I'm doing. Yeah, I clean it now. I'm going to put it again pad back. Right now it's going nicely. Little bit free play there. That's good. Now both sides have a free play. Yeah, it's good. Now I'm going to connect the brake pad wear sensor. Just push it in like this. It's a bit hard to push it in the finger, but I'm going to use it the plier and push it in nicely. Yeah, it's going nicely. Yeah, this is the brake pad wear sensor. Make sure put it to the bottom side, not for the top side. If you put it to the top side, it's will going to break. Make sure put it to the bottom side of the inside pad. Right now pads in. I'm going to close the caliper now. Need to go in little bit more piston. Right, it's in now. I'm going to put it pin back. That's a new one. And another one in the bottom. This is the top hole. another one bottom. First I am going to tight it with the hand tight. I don't want to use the gun straightly. If it's some reason going the wrong thread, ending with the problem, now I am going to use the gun. Make sure all nut tight properly. Right, now all nut tight it properly. I am going to lower the jack now. Right, take off the jack. This is the pinhole I am talking about early. See, the one is top, it's come out the pin nicely, and that's the bottom one. Right, now I'm going to do the very important thing. This one can easily forget, but make sure don't forget it, that one. After you done the brake, go inside the car and press the brake pedal. When you press the brake pedal first time, see, it's going to the flow. That's mean when you press couple of time, after that it's that pedal coming up. But if you press it first time, it's going until flow. If you forget this one, if some reason if you take to the road and if you want to press the brake, when you press the brake will not answer. That means the brake going to be fail. Because of that, make sure if you done the brake, then the next step, don't going to do anything. Go inside the car, pump the brake pedal 4 5 times until it's getting harder. Then after that you can do and tidy up or whatever you can do, but make sure do the brake pedal first before you do anything. Otherwise, if you forget, you ending with the unnecessary problem. Thanks for watching us. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors.